R includes some really cool default data sets. In addition to those, if you have some filtering that you're doing within an R script, you might want to export that as a static file for reference in another program or at another time if you don't want it tied to your workspace. So let's take a look at how you can export this to a CSV. We're going to work with an example here. Obviously, we're using tidyverse for our filtering. We're going to use the built-in sunspot.month dataset here. We're going to choose the first 24 entries, add a explicit index, and then we're going to export it with the write.csv function. This is the call to the specific data set that you're pulling, and that can be any number of things. We have, for example, here, this is a tibble, which I'm going to be pulling from, but it could be something else that you chose to pull from. And then your file is going to be giving you your file name, and you can put your file directory here as well if you have a specific folder that you want to go to. I already have this exported, so let's take a look at the export. We have our default key index, we have our primary entries, and then we have our explicit index here as well. If you're interested in looking at more details here, we can go down to the write.csv help function here, and then we can see all of our information here on the different arguments that you can have, information on those arguments, and then some examples at the bottom here as well. If this sparks any questions or ideas for you, please sound off in the comment section. I look forward to chatting with you there. To the stars!